Hey, welcome to another episode of the Masters Movement. I'm John Wellborn, and we're going to take you through our incline dumbbell row. I got Mr. McQuilkin over here acting as my demo person. Now, big fault on this, most people do not get their chest far enough off the bench. So what I want Chris to do is get his chest far enough to where the bottom of the top of the bench strikes right underneath the bottom of the chest. We are doing this to get a big activation of the lats. So to get the lats into it, we're going to have to think about using the elbow to strike a match on that rib cage. Now we can play with the grip a little bit. You can go into a pronated or more of a palms facing grip. But personally, what I really like is about a 45. So from there, he's going to get full extension. He's going to pull to the top. Think about pulling the dumbbell back into the pocket. There you go, to really engage those lats. The cue I like to give is imagine you're trying to strike a match with the elbow on the rib cage. Good work, Chris. If you have access to one of these big, massive Sorinex benches, you can also use one. I personally like this one a little bit better for me. So if I can get into position right here, really hang down, hands at about a 45, and as I pull back, think about striking that match with the elbow on the rib cage. Really pulling back, getting full extension, and then pulling back this way. We're hitting these with our for our lats, and one of our favorite accessory exercises on Jack Street and all the different programs we use. So that again is incline dumbbell row. See ya. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Power Athlete. And if you're ready to take your life and your training to the next level, you can come check us out at powerathletehq.com/training. If you're into some cool merch, come check us out at the shop, powerathletehq.com. And if you really want to go down the rabbit hole, we got the premier podcast of strength conditioning, Power Athlete Radio. And other than that, get the fuck out.